Now let's take a look at how to work with some of our new multi-cell fixtures in Live. Go ahead and get out into Live if you're not there already, and we'll start with a go to queue out just to make sure everything is back to its home value. So if I say 301 enter, this is our first cyclite, and we see that 301 is the parent channel, which doesn't really have any data there, and dot 1 through 6 are the cells. You'll notice that the cells' intensities home to full, and because these are LED fixtures, their colors also home to full. This way, as soon as we turn on channel 301, we will get some light out of the fixture, which is a good thing. If we say 301 dot, the console will post the word cell on the command line. From here, we can enter a specific cell, or if we don't do that and just press enter, it will change to cells only. And this will select only the cells of that channel or channels, and not the parent. We can also select only the parent channel. We can do this by typing 301 shift dot, or by typing .0. Both of those commands will select only the parent channel of your selection. So let's go ahead and look at this. If we say 301 full, we're going to get light out of the fixture. You'll see that our master intensity has gone to full. And because all of our cells were homed at full, we get white light out of our fixture here. Go ahead and turn that off using our out key. Now we'll say 301 through 312, full enter, to turn on all of our top cycles. And now that the parent channels are on, we can select just the cells by saying 301 through 312, dot, full through 10, enter. So we've fanned our intensity across only the cells. Notice the parent channels are still at full in all of those fixtures, but our cells have fanned from one side to the other from full down to 10%. If we say select last, full, we'll turn all the cells up to 100%. And from here, we can use our offset tools just like we can with standard channels. So if I say offset 4 out, it's going to grab every fourth cell, which because these fixtures have 6 cells each, depending on the fixture, it might have 1 or 2 cells selected, and turn those off. I can also say select last, and I clear off the 4 there. I can say mirror out, and now I am mirroring out just the cells. So from here, if I say full through 10, we're going to get a nice gradient, hot in the center and dimming down to 10% on the ends of the cells. Since these are now set up as multi-cell fixtures, we'll get a lot more granularity than we did when we could only control the fixture as a whole. Let's go ahead and clear sneak enter. With multi-cell fixtures, we should look at an additional flexi mode that we haven't used yet. Go ahead and select 301 through 312, enter, hold your flexi key, and notice that you have a cells off and a masters off button. If we touch cells off, it's going to collapse those down and only show the parent channels. You can touch that back on, and if we select masters off, it's only going to display the cells. Let's toggle that off for now. I want to be able to see everything. If we press format to go to summary view, you'll see that the parent channels are slightly taller than the cells, but we can see everything in our summary view here. Now if we turn off our cells, we just see the parent channels. We can tell that they're multi-cell fixtures because there's a dot at the end of each channel, even though we can't see what the cells are doing. Here we can also see the sub-intensity, which is a small number contained within the intensity box. Right now they all say full and they're gray because they are at their home value. This will display the intensity if all the cells match. If the cells within the parent have different intensities, this will be displayed as a plus sign. For now, let's go ahead and toggle that so we can see everything. To go ahead and reset our displays, let's go ahead and recall snapshot 1.